Hello and Assalamualaikum. I'm Jadil. In this video, I'll be reviewing my reading assignments book, which is Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and the Quest of the Fantastic Future. This book is Ashley Vance's biography of Elon Musk, and it was published in 2015. For those who don't know Elon Musk is, he is a famous billionaire technopreneur. This book traces Elon Musk's life from his childhood up to the time he spent at his successful companies. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to know deep life journey of Elon Musk. Short summary: Elon Musk is behind the modern electric vehicle at Tesla and has revolutionized the cost and convenience of spaceflight at his rocket company SpaceX. In addition to these major business and technological success stories, Musk co-founded PayPal, which was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion, and sold Zip2 to Compaq during the dot-com boom. I found out this book didn't disappoint me because it's a extremely well-written biography and thoroughly researched, including tons of interviews with different people in Musk's life, as well as interview of Musk himself. While I greatly admire him, and this book has inspired me a lot. It was a unique chance to get into the life and mind one of the most interesting guy in the 21st century. This book style is fast-paced, yet detailed enough to give some great insight into the man and his companies. One of the issues that I found interesting throughout Elon's complex life is Musk has been removed as the CEO of his own founded company. The board of Zip2 claimed that he doesn't have the necessary operational responsibilities. Same goes to his second project. He has been ousted as CEO of PayPal. The board decided to take action behind Musk's back while he was busy on his honeymoon. From my personal perspective of view, Musk is a person who has a strong vision. He never be vindictive, and yet he embraced the role of being an advisor to the company, and he kept investing in it. After the companies were sold, Elon made $180 million reward as the largest shareholder, and he continued to create the next project, which he invests in SpaceX, Tesla, and SolarCity. The next issue is when Elon almost went bankrupt because of so many issues and failure he has to face. His SpaceX and Tesla motors nearly failed themselves out of existence. Failure on first 3 launch of SpaceX Falcon 1, and they only had enough money for one more launch, which that time they were almost at the verge of bankruptcy. Tesla faced severe financial issues and hard decisions, which nearly deal with Larry Page of Google Incorporated for $11 billion. From my view, despite all of these hard situations that Elon have to face, the relentless of hard working, determination, and the risk-taking are the reason why he is still success in what he's doing today. Even SpaceX crashed many times, Elon never give up and keep encourage his crew to work hard. Then they end up receive NASA's $1.6 billion contract. After huge success of Falcon 1 fourth launch, Elon sacrificed put everything he had, including his personal fund, to save and improve Tesla. Then the company received a great sales result as the top market of the year. So my personal rating on this book is 4 out of 5. It is a great biography book actually. After read this book, there are a lot interesting points of Elon Musk's personality. It teaches invaluable lesson of life struggle, loyalty, and passion that drives vision. I also love some quotes in this book. It kinda motivated me with those words. I will surely recommend this book to my fellow classmate friends and to my engineering mates. This book might be interesting for you guys. especially for those who really fascinated with the world tech and admire a lot to Elon Musk, because there are a lot of things and lifestyle that related to the world technology experiences that I found out quite awesome. The content of this book always intriguing me. I know some of my friends must be curious about Elon's or his company's background and history. So, this is the right book for you guys to know better about him. The way story of this book is not too heavy and easy to comprehend, so I think it is suitable for readers among our age. So this video has come to end. I hope this video could be useful for those who are seeking for this kind of book. Thanks for watching, have a good time and stay safe.